WTI oil prices are slightly lower on Wednesday, and here to talk about that with us is Jeff Grossman. Jeff, it's good to have you. Now, what's your initial take on the move?
It's what I expect. In fact, I'm surprised we're as high as we are, really. Once we got above 105 this last week, I was pretty surprised here. I think this market is still a sell on rallies until further notice.
Now, we're seeing backwardation in the contracts. Do you think this is bullish for oil?
Initially, it was considered as a bullish move, but now when you see the weakness in the front, you have to say that that's an indication that the market is showing some weakness. Usually the movement, the strength or weakness in the front months usually gives you the indication of the direction.
What kind of weakness are you seeing in the front months?
The spreads are showing that there's less backwardation now at this point. The fronts are showing weakness against the back.
So you think eventually we're going to go on a different direction, we're going to have contango again?
If the market gets weak enough, you may have that situation. Now that would happen several dollars lower from here. So it's not something that's happening right away, but we could go down, in that direction for the next, several months if the market continues to go lower.
All right, so your final takeaway then, looking ahead through August, are we going to see much more action? Is there any huge price bump anybody should be looking out for?
Price bump I'm not looking for, but I'm looking for this market to settle down. I'm a little surprised with where we are. I think we're going to be on our way down to the low ones, maybe 102. I still think we have to test $100 before this market could make a serious move up.
All right, Jeff, thanks so much.
My pleasure.
You heard it from Jeff right now. He's not as bullish as others may be. For TheStreet at the NYMEX, I'm Joe Deaux.